Hi, I'm Mandeep Singh, founder of mandeeps.com, and in this video we'll be working with our live Knowledgebase module. So let's get started. What I have here is a installation of DNN 9.1 in which I've already installed live Knowledgebase module and activated it. So let's go ahead and configure it. We're going to simply go ahead and click on the administration link here. And one of the very first things we're going to do is make sure that we specify who can create articles. Now contributors can add, edit, and manage articles, categories, and folders. However, they cannot change any other settings such as these right here or the contributor role itself. So for our purposes, I'm just gonna say all the admins can go ahead and contribute to this module. They can add their own articles. You can definitely manage roles from admin, security roles, create your own roles, add your own users to it, and then specify that here. Managing categories is extremely easy. I can just go ahead and create a new category here called product A, and then as you can see, each category has its own unique URL to show a list of folders underneath. And I can say this category is about product A. We can also assign a image to the category. I'm just going to go ahead and submit it. By default it gives an image as well, and then we must also add some folders to a category. So within product A, I can go ahead and add a folder. I'm going to hit new folder, and let's say this is the getting started folder. And as you can see, our product URL, our category URL appears into the folder automatically for us. So that's nice. Okay, alright, so we have our category created. I'm just gonna go ahead and create one more. So there's the product B, and then I could say this category is for product B, and then I'm gonna do the same thing, just create another folder, and we'll let's say I'll just call this installation, and you can see product B installation folders there. So okay, that's how easy it is to create folders. We'll talk about card view in a second. I'll leave that enabled to show you what that is. Attachments. So each articles can have attachments, and an admin can restrict the file types and the maximum size. Search engine optimization is very important. So we have the meta title and meta description, and these can be customized here by typing hardcode values or using tokens. Live Knowledgebase supports open graph tags, structured data, and then you have the ability to completely customize URL of an article. We'll see that when we create an article. This setting here basically says, do you want to include the page name in the URL, or you want to turn that off as well? So that gives you a full complete control over the URL. Alright, let's go to social. If you have your social sharing buttons code, you can embed, paste that here, and they'll appear in the articles. And then each article has a little feedback form at the bottom, basically asking if the article was helpful or not. If the user clicks no, we have the option to redirect them to a URL where you can have a form asking for more input. I'll disable that. And lastly, if you have full text enabled by your database, then you will get some search options, additional search options that will appear. And finally, you can change themes of the live Knowledgebase from here. Refer to documentation on how to create new themes. So that's it. Now that we have configured the module by setting the contributors and giving some categories, let's click on new article, and I'm going to simply say this is getting started for our product A, and I'm going to say let's see, I'll just say quick start. And as you can see, our URL, this is the URL for the article, which is comprised of the category, the folder, and the article name. Now this is completely customizable, so you can go ahead and give it anything you want and so forth. Full control over that. And this is our description, and this is our sample content for this article. And then we can add attachments right here, so just click add, and As you can see, this is our article we just created. This is the description, this is the content, this is the feedback form I was talking about. Let's go ahead and click on solutions, and as you can see, there's product A here. Now right now I'm seeing the category view, and let's go ahead and really quick add one more in a different product, in a different category. Let's say before you install. Test description, test content, and I'll add that in here. So let's go here, and this is what I was talking about. We have two different categories, and this is called the card view. I can click on each category and I can see its folders, and I can see its articles. If I go to administration really quick and turn the card view off, and now what I see is the folders directly. I see product A, getting started folder, and then I also see product B, and it's getting installation folder. So again, the card view is basically allows us to list by categories versus aggregating them all together. This is for the short video. I mean, the search works automatically. There's nothing else that you have to do. If you have any questions or concerns, feel free to open a support ticket. Thank you so much for watching the video.